but inside all Japanese, so but talking English. So. And my name is Kenji. I'm from Linux Professional Institute. How many people knows Linux Professional Institute? Someone? Okay. Half. So I should introduce Linux Professional Institute itself. Okay. So sorry, Japan. We are Canadian organization established 1999, and we are non-profit organization, and focus to the mainly focus on open source technology, expand usage in a global, and our organization has mainly the focus education. We only provide the examination and the certification, but we have a partner model. Partner has a training, and the partner is higher. That's kind of a ecosystem we're building up Japan and the global. And our exam development is like open source community based. We have some developers globally, and we have some networks. Sometimes we have I will explain our examination is later, but we develop the latest model of each examinations globally. And currently we have a certification. Our certification is expired 5 years, right? So that's active. Our certification holder is this number. And we had many examinations globally. Currently, the 130 countries we have our certification holders. So except North Korea or Somalia, we have no. But Ukrainian, we have already some Ukrainian people has a certification. We have a partner in Ukraine. That's when the war happening. That's our partner contacted us, but they still keep work with us. Translation work. And okay, that's last year, 25th anniversary. But this shows 25th anniversary. So, okay. From last year and this year, we changed the price, increase the price. Sorry, that's there's a current currency rate of the Japanese yen and the dollar is terrible. You imagine, right? So, but we keep our stock. No. I said, but last year we changed the price, and 25th anniversary, and that's our certification. Past examination. We send the certification paper and the card. That's the past year. There's a Canadian headquarter, printing that certification and the papers. But we start from last year that certification paper and the card print Japan and Singapore. And the credit data about we support. So and this one is from, I think that's from last year, but the United Nations has open source principles. So that's, I think that you can search United Nations and open source. We had one of the organizations support this project. And certification part, DevOps through the engineer is one of the examination and certification. start the beta days, and we will release this year. Okay, this is price changes, and then there's but we have the 20th anniversary. We had some campaigns, every 20th taking exam get one free voucher. But this is finished in the credits, and this is one of the part of some. We work with partners, and this guy is executive. That's similar to my face. And this is one topic. Sakura Internet Us has a contract. They focus on DX, technical people educating. So we work together, and sometimes some high school project. So the work with them. And I think that we will make more seminar type or some marketing collaboration with them. And this one is United Nations open source principles. So I think this 15th organization support currently that in June timeframe, this year's June, in New York, and some hackathon, including some university students globally. And I hope they now planning some hackathon or some event in APAC area. Now they focus in Korea. I think that's next year. I think they plan. So if that's a plan is fixed, I will join. And you can see you can also join that's an event. United Nations. Maybe there are some hackathon or some other event in APAC. Okay, this is the one of the Japanese. What do I say? Kosen. So
like a high school technique.
Yeah. That's we support some high school technical events. And this one. We have a partner model. It's globally, so we have a size. I think that's over 1,000 partner. But in Japan, there's 107 partners already we have. So the training partner and the academic partner is a university or the high schools. And the channel partner itself selling our voucher. And Highland is, they hire our certification holder. Then the publishing partner is, some publishers. So if you have an interesting, become a partner, please contact. Okay, this is our certification program. And I think that's mainly well known to Linux professionals part. Level 1, level 2, level 3. And I think that 5 years ago we started the essentials. Linux essential, web development essential, security essential, open source. And 4 essential series we already started. And the open technology part is DevOps tools engineer and the BSD. Okay. And we have our own learning material. It's free. So we can access our website and you can get these. English is, we have some language, English, of course, German, Spanish, Japanese, Vietnamese, and now we're doing the Chinese. So you can access, this is the QR code. That's okay. You can access. And We also have a YouTube channel, many contents. But this is Japanese channel, so every video is using Japanese. But you can access National Professional Institute, that's English site. You can access. And many contents. We work with some partners, sometimes working with YouTubers. We found an interesting YouTuber itself, he is YouTuber, and other hand, he is an engineer, and freelance engineers. So he already took Epic 3 as the highest certification. Then he talk how he took, how to study, kind of. Okay. And this is the commercial books, and you can see the books first. And we started new membership programs. Our certification expired 5 years, but when the membership programs members not expired, but they need payments. Okay. Okay, that's it. You have currently our certification is highest level is level 3. The level 3 holder is very busy for work. So don't have a time to retake for not expires. So it's many people join that. And okay, that's okay. I think there's a joke. Is that okay? Yeah. I'm sorry that's an all Japanese presentation. Next time, if I have time, I prepare some English one, and there are some case study. There's some schools or some. Okay, thank you.
Does anyone have questions about the LPI or LPI certifications, the learning material, etc., etc.?
So, I was going to ask, what jobs have people managed to get with an LPI cert?
We have we have some recruiting site, and with I will explain later. We have some open source job hub. That's the name. So our partner put their job in free, but certification holder can see. There's an open source job hub, meaning many open source company put many jobs on that site, so you can see that. And our hiring partner is in Japanese case is they help I think that you already know that Japanese technical people now the very few. So company wants many technical people now. So they contacted to us, and we have some school academic partner many. So they want to have some session each schools. So they explain some their company and some job or something. So this now if you have your certification, get our certification, you can get many job hub or some other opportunities. Yeah. That's a Japanese type of system integrator itself. That's focus on the companies. One guy to work for one project. So I think that the fixed monthly fees, right? So that fixed monthly fee depend on the certification or his knowledge, right? That the certification is very clear, you know. At the highest level of the Linux certification is the highest, right? That's kind of working actually. Okay.
I noticed for the LPIC-1 certification, there are two tests, the 101 500 and 102 500.
Yes.
Can you take those separately, or do you need to take both in the same
Yeah,
sitting?
separately. Yeah. That's one examination. I think that other 101, 102, and I think that's 3 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
So, okay, if you have any other question, that's later. It's sitting there. Congress.
Any other questions for the LPI? All right, thank you, Kenji.
Thank you.